Piezoelectric effect is electrical charge generated from applied pressure or latent heat. It is an effect that has a lot more common usage around us: watches, electrical lighters, and even loudspeakers. You may have seen some news about harvesting walking energy on tiles into electricity. This is also yet another form of piezoelectric effect. We are always on the lookout for the next big energy source for efficient generation. So why not recycle the untapped potential energy around us? Imagine the possibilities that we can have from harvesting the energy sources around us. Harvesting the walking, running, and exercising energy to power out parts of office buildings, as well as the residential houses. We can even harvest sound energy from traffic, trains, and other loud machineries.